Hey guys, it's your friendly crafting otter here. You guys asked for those stickers and how I do it, and I'm here to show a quick little short tutorial. So if at any point you need to pause, figure out what websites I'm going to, if I'm going too fast for you, I apologize. I've never done a tutorial before. This is my very first one. This was something that I just discovered and I shared it to the Cricut community and people were just blown away. Like, how are you doing this? People are calling, texting, all that. And I'm ready to show you guys. So what I do is, let's see if I can give a little background on this. So it is an AI generated device website that will take your picture and convert it over to a sticker style layout. And then I bring that over to Design Space to do the DIY cut or the kiss cut. So I will show you the website. Now there is I'm going to say typically when it comes to this, there is a cost. Do not be discouraged when I mention this to you. I promise you. I'm going to be bringing it up right now, the website. So here is going to be the website, replicate.com. And then I didn't pop up first. So when I go into Google, I do replicate.com face sticker. It brings me right into the Google. I don't know why their main website just a little finicky, but yes, this is the website. When you go here, it's going to redirect you when you make an account to a GitHub page. When you go to a GitHub page, when it redirects you, you're going to be making an account there. When you make an account, it's going to want you to add a credit card on file. When you add a credit card on file, it's there just so it can do for the billing purposes. Now I will tell you, let's see if I can go, shrink this down. Let's see if we can go into my pricing. See if I can get an invoice on what I've been charged for doing this. Now I've done over 200 uploads. Now take a look at this pricing. It is cheap. I'm going to say right up front, there is a cost to this. It's not free, but it might as well be free because of how cheap this is. I've done over probably 200 uploads and I haven't even hit $1 yet. When you make an account, when you first set up, it's going to ask you, would you like a limit on your invoice so you don't, when you get notified or won't be charged over your limit? I set my limit to $2 after I looked at this pricing. I haven't hit it yet. I've been doing over 300 plus photos, so I'm really confident in saying this is a low cost effective way of doing this. Now let's just, I guess, get right into the nick and gritty of her. I'm actually just realizing I don't believe I have a default photo saved on my computer. Okay, here's one right here of me. Let's see what it'll do. Okay, so when I go into here, it's going to be drop a folder, a file in, or I can do take it from a webcam or take my photo right here. I'm already using the webcam, so in the prompt, if you look here, this one's Arnold. Arnold is a well-known person on the internet. When you type in Arnold, obviously it's going to give a reference to. Now, what I like to do is because people are not usually, movie stars, I will put man down in there. Or if anything else you want to add into the prompt, man with blue eyes, blue tie, something that you're not getting in the first round of the development of the picture, you can go back in and edit until it gets to the way that you want it. So let's try adding this photo that I mentioned that is on my desktop. There's me with no beard, long time ago. Okay, so we're going to do man, and I'm going to put, how does it say, shift return to add a new line? So shift enter, blue eyes. Hopefully it's going to do it. Negative prompt is something in there that you want taken out. But I haven't uploaded anything. Believe there's nothing in there that I don't care about, so I'm just going to push it through. All these other steps I kind of skip through. I'm not too educated on what all this is. I haven't fiddled around with any of this really, and I'm still getting great results. Now, I will say, if you upload a picture and it's not coming out to the way that you want it, it's best if you have your subject 3 or 4 other photos to give different variations to get the correct response you're looking for. Now, I believe we are going to get a good response with this because I don't have a lot going on in the background. It's only going to focus on me. I haven't done one when there's more than one person in the photo, if it will do all three. I haven't tested it. I actually had someone reach out to me if I could do a crochet stuffed animal, if it would convert it into a sticker. I don't know if it will, but there's probably another 30 different things that's associated with this website that you can do. You can make poems through AI. You can fix blurry photos, black and white photos to color. It does a lot of things for you at a low cost. So this is loading right now. Very interested to see how this one, there she goes. Let's see how she's going to turn out. So I was mentioning there is another sticker maker. If it's not going to be for a person, you can be typing puppy and it will generate it. It's all on the same website. I'm going to say that's a miss. That's not me. That's not what I look like. That's why I mentioned to get other deviations, pictures of the person. Let's see if I can quickly find another photo on here. Actually, let's do the same one prompt, but with no prompts in it. See how it comes up. And I'm going to look for a secondary photo in the meantime while that's loading. Photos. Actually, I think I do got some here. Okay, here's another good backup. Webcam is okay, so it's loading. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, maybe, kind of. I see myself in it. I do, but the eyes are different. Um, let's try this other photo that I was looking at. Let's see how this one performs. She drop it in? I didn't do it right. Come on. Here she goes. Dropped her right in. Let's just say man. Sure, why not? Do a run. And let's see what comes up. I mean, my eyes are very visible here, so hopefully they turn blue. It's a good way to make extra sticker ideas if you can't think of any. If you have clients that is looking for this great sticker, I mean, it's a good way to provide a service to somebody. Let's see how this goes. I'm not loving it. I am not loving it. Let's see what happens if we add this in here. Let's just see what happens. Running in. It did 2 people. I'm actually pretty excited about this. That's fucking adorable. No, it has nothing to do with the photo, but I'm excited to try different variations now. That is really awesome. Let me just keep looking through some of my photos, see if I have something. I have to have something with a clean background that's gonna make this work. Let's see how this one does. I don't think it's going to do well. Eyes are protected, a lot of going on in the background, wearing hats, but let's just see what happens. Might be some good results. Running workflow. Let's see what we get. It gave her a tie-dye mustache. But these are the prompts that I'd be putting in to get rid of. If you're at all familiar with Procreate, this is something you can bring into Procreate and do these adjustments as well, which was my plan. I was hoping that this tutorial would have been a little bit more proof on how well these photos work, but I mentioned if you're doing this for a client or somebody, you need a decent amount of photos of them to make sure it's going to be close. If you ask me on my opinion on this photo, yeah, it looks just like her to the T, but I'm not happy with those color results. Let's do white background. Maybe it would get rid of the color. White background. Run. Let's see what happens. I believe it's a little faster the second time when you do a prompt on the same photo. Don't quote me. On my way. Okay. 223. I'm doing a sublimation quilt for a lady I've been working on for 5 days, and I've never done a big project before for somebody, and I'm so nervous, so scared. But she gives me 65% polyester, super thin. You can see everything through it. I just hope she's happy. Sorry, off topic, but cued. So what will happen is if there's a lot of people trying to upload, because it's a popular site, you'll be put into the queue. Just walk away, come back, picture will be developed. But I'm going to get back to my job. I just wanted to take time and do this quick video for you. Please send me the photos you made from this. I want to see some good results. I know I've gotten them, and I know you guys can. As always, peace, love, and otter hugs. Oh, looks like it's loading. Let's take a look at this load before I leave. Running, running, running. It fixed her face. That's all I know. I can bring that into Procreate, get rid of the background or whatnot, but my opinion, yeah, I think it looks fun. Let's download it. And yeah, looks great. As always, happy crafting, peace, love, and otter hugs. Until next time.